Buccuti and Tata is reputable for many things, but primarily their green efforts stand out. Being sustainable is not only good for Aruba's environment, but it drives customer ratings, profitability, as well as occupancy. According to the owner and general manager of Buccuti and Tata Beach Resorts, this property is one of the most occupied hotels on the island, if not the most booked in Aruba.
Our occupancy has been in the 90s for the last 20-odd years that we have been operating. I mean, it's been consistent, and I would say that probably the highest occupancy on the island. I cannot prove it to you because these numbers are actually secret, but I'm pretty sure that I'm pretty close to number one, or if not number one.
Buccuti is a prime example of how reinvesting in the property attracts more guests. When the hotel spends on upgrades, they reap direct benefits from the investments. Mr. Beemans has seen his property generate more profit as investments and proper care is implemented.
Secondly, our RevPAR has been growing year over year as we improve the facilities. And of course, our ADR is also, again, one of the highest on the islands. And mainly because of our consistent repeat clientele that comes here year after year, that appreciates what we do, the innovations, the renovations, and the investment that we are doing.
Being an independent owner and not having corporate or a board to answer to has allowed Mr. Beemans to make quick decisions, which leads to fast results. Being a single owner has most definitely attributed to the success of Buccuti and Tata.